Our story begins in a bustling factory where ink meets paper.
Our story begins in a
brand new
bustling
dollar bill
factory
is born.
where ink meets.
Bright,
Our
crisp,
story
and full of
begins in a
potential,
bustling factory
this dollar
where
is ready
ink
to
meets.
embark on its journey through the world of money. The dollar's first home is the bank. Here, it joins countless others, waiting to
The
be
dollar's
withdrawn,
first home is the
deposited, or
bank.
invested.
Here,
Banks are the guardians of money, keeping it safe while helping it grow. Soon, our dollar finds itself in the hands of a shopper. It buys bread, milk, or maybe a cup of coffee. Each purchase keeps businesses alive and fuels the economy. Now the dollar supports a business. It pays employees, buys supplies, and keeps the wheels of commerce turning. Every dollar spent is a vote
Now
of
the dollar
confidence in
supports
the
a business.
marketplace. But some dollars
Now
take a
the
different
dollar
path.
supports a business.
They enter the world of investments, stocks, bonds, and real estate. Here, they grow, multiply, and create wealth for the future. Eventually, our dollar returns to the government as taxes. These funds build roads, schools, and hospitals, ensuring society thrives. From birth to retirement, every dollar is and as $1's journey ends, another begins keeping the story of wealth alive.